what would be, I guess, the key tip or key advice you would give away?
This is what I call the energy triangle, or energy triangle is easier to remember because it's three things. It's the mind, the body, and the breath. What am I thinking? How am I feeling? Where is the breath going? And you always go back to those three things. So if you're worrying about your content right before you speak, that's not a good idea. That's telling your subconscious, I don't know my content. You're much better off preparing yourself and your energy, because like we talked about with the wings earlier, that's the energy that you're going to bring in, and that is the tone you're going to set. You know, we talk about setting the tone. We actually do that. Our voices do set the tone. So you want to make sure you've tuned yourself up. I just made that up, but you want to tune yourself like an instrument. So when you go in there, you can hit the right note. So what am I thinking? We go through mantras. I've got this. People want to listen to me. I have something valuable to say. But for executives, often they worry they don't know anything, nor should they. If they're a leader and they know everything that their team knows, they're not doing a good job. They're operating at the wrong level. So you shouldn't know everything. Body, how am I feeling? Oh, a bit of a heart pump. Okay. Heart pump, heart flutter. You want to be breathing into the chest, bringing the chest up. If it's butterflies, you want to be twisting. So you want to be listening to the body. Then breathing deep. Imagine that your buttocks are your lungs. The air's going in low and deep away from the shoulders and flowing out, because oxygen is what fuels the voice. So that's why the mind, the body, and the breath is what is going to tune up your instrument and get you ready to go and flow, as I say, ready to go and flow.
That's so cool.